So the rule for this sequence here translates to that the current term of the sequence is the prior term minus the term prior to the prior one, which means that if, for example, n is 3, because they give you the first and the second term. First is -1, second is 1. So if you replace n with 3, this would be a2 minus a1. If you replace n with 4, this would be a3 minus a2. So we're just successively subtracting them. That means a3, and I'll write it like this, a1, a2, a3 would be a2 minus -1, so 2. And now we can just do it here. So the next term would be 2 minus 1, which is 1. 1 minus 2 would be -1, and then -1 would be -2. And if we do the next one, you'll see this will go back to -1. So you have to do it far enough so you can start to see the pattern. And then this would be 1, then 2, and then 1, -1, -2, so on and so forth. So we have to identify the chunk that repeats itself, and you will see it's this piece. And you just have to do it far enough so you're absolutely convinced. So it's repeating in blocks of 6. And they want to know what's the sum of the first 1,000 terms of the sequence. So if you look at this block itself, you'll see that this will add up to 0 because you have a 2 and a -2, -1, 1, 1 and -1. So first thing we need to do is to find how many blocks I can accommodate in 1,000. I mean, it's easier here because the sum of each block is 0. So I just need to figure out how many terms are left after I divide it into chunks of 6. So I divide 1,000 by 6. And then 6 times 6 is 36. 4, same, 36. Key thing is remainder 4. So I'll have 166 of these blocks of 6 and then 4 left. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 will be these first 4 terms. And the sum of all 1,000 terms would be the same as the sum of these 4 terms. That's 0. 2 plus 1 is 3. Answer is D.